Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. New update on Woodzman Adventures. So I got rid of the Honda CRF 300L. Bought a Yamaha TW200. And I think this is actually going to be pretty cool because it's a nice little short bike. It'd be great off-road. Lots of fun new videos coming. It actually already has some stuff on it, but should be a lot of fun. Except for the real truth is, I got it for my wife. I still got the 300L. I actually sold the 250L because it was actually too big for her, too tall. So I got the TW200 for her. This is a 2021. It's actually used, but super cool because it's got all this stuff on it. And check this out. 280 miles.
And don't worry, guys, I'm not riding it right now. That's why there's no gloves.
She's not wearing it with that shirt.
And right now, I've been hot, sweaty, tired, working all day, so.
Yeah, she's not going to ride it without a helmet.
No,
because don't want no haters coming on here and saying, oh my gosh.
I did put on my hiking boots for right now because this is all I got right now. So I went and put them on. I had shorts on, went and put some pants on. But
this TW200, we actually got it not too far from here. I've been talking to Matt at Mob Street. Anyway, I'll post a link below, but you guys go check his channel out and subscribe. If you're a TW200 rider, I mean, he's got all kinds of videos on it. He has 2 of the TW200s, and he's done some upgrades and stuff, so be a good channel to check out. Now, I'll be doing some upgrades on this one, too. But it actually already has most everything we need, so there probably won't be a lot.
It's got a new front tire. It's got the wide pegs.
Yeah, they've put wide pegs, aluminum pegs on it. Actually, pretty close to the ones I have on the 300. It does have a good aluminum skid plate. Look at that skid plate. I don't know what brand it is, but it's a good aluminum aftermarket skid plate.
It's got rental handlebars, but we'll have to see whether or not if I can...
Right, it does have the ATV high bend Renthal bars, so it'll be taller. I think they'll be good. It's got a service hand guards, turbies, whatever you want to call them.
And yes, I am a little bit scared because I've always, all these years, I've done nothing but ride behind Frank on the bike.
Yeah, she's actually never rode a motorcycle in her life.
I've never rode a motorcycle at all. I've rode a four-wheeler.
So, yes, you got pretty good on the four-wheeler. This is like clutching it and everything. It's just the balance thing, and it's no big deal. She rides a bicycle. So we're going to do a lot of training before we actually get her out and get her street legal and licensed and all that. We got dirt roads and a lot of back roads we can ride on.
It's a little bit different from a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Motorcycle weighs quite a bit.
So I think this bike would be a good bike for her and to ride with us on the videos.
And it matches my Jeep.
And it's got the gray, so it matches her Jeep. Kinda. It is gray.
It is gray. It matches my Jeep. It matches the Beast. This is...
The only thing I see it needs really would be like a rear rack. Would be good.
Can you imagine this? Like you hear. I get to give Frank a ride one of these days.
I can ride on the back. I can ride on the back and she can drive.
One of these days when I get good enough. Not until I get good enough to hold it up.
That could be scary. Okay, we'll take it over here. I'll show you. Start it up, but it actually, there's nothing wrong with the seat. They just put this Mad Dog cover on there. But this thing starts up and just purrs like a kitty. Purrs like a kitty. Of course, it's all stock. I mean, 280 miles, and they already replaced the front tire. But he replaced the front tire because he said those stock ones are junk. And I have heard a lot about them. You know, they're not the greatest tires. So hopefully this one's better. I'm not sure what it is. It's a Shinko trail tire. So anyway, that's what the tire is, a 418. Big old fat dude. Look how fat that rear tire is. See, exhaust is all stock.
So we'll be doing lots of videos with me trying to learn how to ride.
Lots of videos on the way. The bike's not perfect. It does have a few little scratches. I mean, they've this fender, but I think I can take a hairdryer, heat this up, and it'll take that white out. Looks like it'd been bent right there.
And the brake.
And this rear turn signal right here has a little crack in it. So it looks like they have fell over on this side
And it's scratched.
And they've done a few little scratches right here. But other than that, it's actually mint. Other than that right there. This tire, you know, with 280 miles, that dude ain't even broke in. This thing ain't even had its first oil change yet. So guys, thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. We're going to have a lot of TW200 videos, more 300L videos, lots of reviews. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.
Right on.